before. Today we're gonna find out the secret in our tools. So welcome all.
So what will we do today?
Today we will disassemble some of our products to see what's secret in it.
Oh,
Yes?
so where is our product?
What do you mean? Our products are all here.
What?
What are you talking about?
There are some words to open it?
Yeah?
To decrypt it?
Yes, of course. Because I know in a lot of people's opinion, those tools just used to disassemble other machines, right? Because they are simple and they are always be used. But nobody will open it and find out the secret in it, right?
Okay.
But have you ever wanted that why those simple machines have so much function and has so much power? Have you ever imagined?
I have no idea.
No, right? For example, like this winch, right? Everybody knows that we can move here to adjust, right? But have you ever think about that? Why it moved here and stuck?
Why?
Right? It's a very simple question and a very simple tools, right? But maybe you don't know it's all secrets.
Now I think it's interesting.
Yeah, right. Now you are getting it. Because here has many teeth, right?
Yeah.
But at the end, it doesn't have teeth. So this one will be stuck.
Oh.
So that will prevent this part from falling down.
It's a mini secret, but it's useful to stop the
This part.
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
So let's explore more. All right?
That's great.
Okay, so first, I'm gonna show you what we are planning to disassemble today. First, our mirroring tape. All right? Simple but useful. Okay, this is the first. And this one, hand preventer. Okay? And step gun. All right? Here. And wire stripper.
Wire
stripper. Right, you know what it is?
No, it's like a duck. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. That's totally different, huh? And another type of wire stripper. All right? So, thank you. And this pipe cutter. Also, don't forget our old friend, this spanner, this wrencher spanner. All right? Here. Sorry, lady.
So we have a lot of.
Yes, we have a lot of products. So let's start from this one, mirroring tape. Okay? We start from this one. Yeah? Yeah, please. Yeah. Put all these aside.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's start. First, when you do things like this, make sure you have your protection glass. Okay? This is very important because those constructions are simple, but maybe it has some spring or something very tight. So when you suddenly open it, it will boom, it will explode. So it may hurt yourself. So please do anything with protection.
The safety is the most important for yourself.
Yes. So let's start it. Okay. Now, today I prepared this one for you.
For me?
Yes. I think you have the ability to disassemble this one because today we choose all the tools that can be fixed easily.
Oh, so I will like kids to broken the things.
Yes, you can break it and you can fix it very simply.
Oh.
And it's all right. You can follow my guide, right?
Yeah.
First, we open this one. You can see Why I choose this one? Because this tape is not made by steel.
Okay,
So it
it's
won't suddenly.
it's soft.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
soft and it will be easy to fix.
Oh, so
Okay.
kindly you are.
Yes, and it's not be record like this. Here we have a little handle. You can
Interesting.
right, but it's one way. You see, if I do like this, I move forward, nothing happened. But when I move backward, see the difference.
So the handle is help us to hold the tape.
Type, yes.
Yeah. Tape.
Tape. And then,
Oh, and here is another handle.
yes, like
So
shell.
we can use we can put our hand here and open in this part, open this handle in this side, and
Record it.
record it.
And so here comes the question: why I move one way it works, but another way it doesn't work? Why?
Is that the secret of the product?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's find it. All right. Okay, now let's see this one. Okay, and here we have mini tools. Which one you should choose first? And also we have this one. Very nice, huh?
Yes. Maybe
Maybe.
first I need to use the handle, and then
And
I will choose
can I choose which?
one of this one.
Okay, you can try. If the size doesn't fit, you can change another one, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now you are getting it.
I think it's the right size.
Yes.
I'm so lucky.
Yeah. Just one try, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, it has magnet.
it's some magazine.
Wow, you are really
Sorry.
naughty, huh? Okay, let's keep moving on.
No, I got another.
Okay. So the secret is very narrow. Okay,
Actually, it's easier to open it.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the last one remove. And make sure every time you disassemble things, you should keep all things together, all right?
Of course. If not, we cannot fit it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's time to open it. And before, if you don't know what's inside, you can pick. Have a pick,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Okay. Simple construction. And here has length 66 feet.
Feet.
Yes. And now, when you roll this hand, you can see what's happening inside. Right?
Yeah.
Nothing's happening.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. But if I move another way,
Oh.
right? So here is a secret. You can check here. It's the direction of this row if you change this one, you can see now it's going from left, right? Going from left. And if it change to the right side, the direction will change.
Okay.
Okay? Because from this, if I move another side, it's actually losing it, right? It's
yes.
losing this type. But from this direction, it's turning. Okay? And for this type, moving more smoothly, oh, sorry. We have here two bearings, right? To help it move. So if you have something wrong with these tools, you can simply open it and check it, right? And this won't hurt your arm. I specially choose this for you because if this tape made by steel, it will be more dangerous. So, okay?
Well, I got it because the steel is not like soft like this one. So maybe the material will hurt you.
Yes.
Yeah.
And because this is for you, so this system is much simple. Because for our other products, it may have recoil system, it will auto recoil. So that will be more dangerous, and it's made by steel, will hurt your hand. All right. So everybody, all my friends, please pay attention when you open our kind of products of this mirroring tape. Okay. Okay. Now.
So we can fit it on. We just put it in.
No, we just fix
side.
it here.
Oh.
It's very simple, but you have to pay attention. Here. Two tools. You have to put it in these two holes.
Two holes.
Yes, okay. I think you can do it. Let's go. Does it in? I think it's actually very simple. Right? Don't last 2 seconds. So, could you please take the bag?
Of course.
All right. The second thing we're gonna talk about is this one. This one. Handle.
What is that?
This one? Handle remender.
Handle remender?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So it's.
So what can we do? Use it to do?
Oh, good question. We'll show you here. Wow. Wow, good package. Okay. Okay. First, this one. To be honest, if it's my first time to see this one, I'm also very surprised because from the outside, I can see nothing, right? It's simple construction and it doesn't have hole or something. It has some screws here. Looks very simple. So I can disassemble it and tell you what to do. First, you can see when I remove this barcode, all right, suddenly.
It's like a safety.
Yeah, safety lock. And what do you think? Any idea?
Yes, I think it. You can use it to put something in it.
Yes.
And because here is a small hole, and when you put something in it, it will be like a gun to shut it to the other side, maybe.
Sorry, my lady, but you are totally wrong. Here, yes, really have a hole, but it doesn't important. The most important thing is here.
Oh.
You can see here, it has a hole, right? So we gonna use it with a special tool. And for example, here are two things, right? And it has a hole. We gonna put the accessory here and just a snatch. Those two parts will be connected.
So it's used to connect things.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. This how it used. And why do you think here has 4?
Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 things here.
Yes, and it can be worked together like one time.
I have no idea.
I have no idea. Actually, those three are not just decorations. Please look at here. Here has a little wrench. You pull it out, because all accessories has different size, right? So if it doesn't fit, you can use this wrench. Okay.
I got it. It's used for change this part.
Yes. All these can be removed. Here, you see? So it can replace to here. All right?
Yeah.
So you can just bring one and you can use all size of accessories. All right? So
Of course.
its first secret is this wrench hiding here. Go back to your home. Okay? And now we're going to disassemble it.
Let me think.
Okay?
Because here is different. So I need to use another tool. Maybe this one
This one for what?
with the similar things.
Okay. But I don't think this one will be useful because according to its instruction, this one are not fixed.
Oh.
Really? Right?
Right.
Okay. So I'll show you. First, I'm gonna introduce these two. These two, their name is clap pedal. They are especially used for take off this click, like this one. But usually those two were used for the bigger ones. This one is too tiny. So sometimes proper tools with proper name doesn't mean it will do all the work properly.
So we have some way to help us to put it down.
Yes, of course. Put this one down.
And we need the other tool to get it off, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Because small spare parts has small tools. Very tiny, eh?
It's so cute.
Right?
Yeah.
And if you think it's too tiny, here has a handle.
So we fit it together. And we have tools to get it off.
Gotta be careful. Don't lose it.
I have no. I can't.
Okay, maybe it's a problem of strength, right? You can here, and if you think it's too small, you can use another one. all right, to be your help, all right.
Oh.
Now it's all out and
Yeah.
it's here. It's also have magnet, all right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Sam, what's next? What's next? You lose here, so you can take out here,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And then when you take out here, you can remove this part,
So
right?
yes.
And before this one,
Mm-hmm.
you can lose.
We need to take this part off.
Yes. Okay, let's do it. Whoa. All right. Why it's stuck? You know?
Why?
Because this one is not fixed, but we can use here to roll it. To roll it. Let
Do you want the handle?
no.
Oh.
Later you will know why.
Why?
Now, okay, now you are why. Here. Very simple. A spring, right?
Yeah.
And here, another spring. Okay, I pull it out.
What's that?
This one or this one?
All of them.
This spring?
It's used for
Right.
something?
Yes. Because when you do this one, piang, it will push inside and the zip spring
Yeah.
will produce some power to make the accessor enter the subject.
Oh,
All right?
I got it. Yeah.
You got it right?
Yeah.
And this one is to connect this and those two clowns. Those two clowns were a combo.
Okay.
Now you can imagine the shape of accessors, right?
It's like a small
Yeah,
mouth.
like you said, duck mouse.
That mouth.
Yes. Ooh. Okay, here. So why before I can't remove this one, but when I use this screwdriver
Yeah.
to adjust, it can be removed. You know why? Because normally those two are connect like this. All right.
Yeah.
So when it's like this one, it can move forward and
Oh.
backward. And
Cause.
if I screw this to this position, very
You're
easy.
right. It's
right?
easier to move it
Yes.
when the hole is smaller
Yes.
than the other side.
Yes. So that's why sometimes hand tools are simple but are not easy to be fixed because it has many secrets in it.
Yeah.
If you do the right thing, maybe you can fix it and change some spare parts in like 5 minutes. But if not,
Yeah.
you are unable to fix it. All right. So let's be quick.
We just put it.
Yeah, we
stuff.
put it aside.
Okay.
It's very simple. Huh? It's your homework to put all this together. So now we invite the bigger one.
Yeah.
Why I say it's big? It's very small, right? But clearly, this one is much harder than those two. The challenge?
Maybe I need to open it, and I know why
What's that, right?
What is that? Yeah.
Okay. So our knife. All right.
Be careful.
It's too hot. Our air conditioning works so good. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's very hard. Okay. So let's see. According its appearance, imagine,
What is this used for?
right? You can't even imagine.
Imagine.
You can imagine. What's that for?
It's for. It's for cutting something.
Cutting something like
Because
this?
here is is the part like the knife.
Okay. Like this one? But cut for what? They look really likely, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what's that for? Of course, it can't cut like this way,
Yeah.
right? It has no blade here.
So
And it has blade here.
so we need something smaller than this part.
Put it in here, right? Actually, this thing is always around us. Like this one.
Okay.
This wire. All right?
Wire.
Yes.
So
All right. Here. And you can see here. It has 5 holes with different size. So you can choose the hole according to your wire. And you can adjust your power with here. All right? And then I put it in the right hole. And I slightly adjust it and use power. See? So I comes out, right?
yeah. So it helps us to cut the wires outside, like the wires skin.
Yes, that's why it's called stripper. Move something. Oh yeah, why are you smiling so so evil?
No, I'm not evil.
Oh, you're not just only a girl now. Okay, so first we know what it's used for, right? And we can assemble it. But before this, I have a question for you. Let me find my screwdriver here and use this one, okay? You did find this one, right? Here?
Oh, it can move.
Yes, it can move, but
So
what's that for?
there is some useful or some magic.
Yes, this one, okay? Normally, if you want to open, you can open this wide, right? But what if I just want some of the wine out? Well, maybe, for example, like 1 centimeter. How can I use? If it can adjust by my hand, it will be very difficult, right? But if I adjust this one to here, adjust the distance and screw here. You can see it can't open that wide, right?
Yeah.
So this is the way how we fix our cutting length. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna disassemble it. First, this one.
We need to take it off.
Yes, we're gonna take it off. Aside, all right? So, where we gonna continue? This one or this one?
Let me see. Maybe
Maybe.
I will guess. 1, 2, my lucky number is 8. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This part.
Okay, so your lucky number is really lucky, because when you see this spring, right? Obviously, it's for extend, right? So, what's the power to make those two close?
Here.
No, here is for extend. Here, right?
Yeah.
Right? Extend. But why those two closed? Here, your lucky number says it's here. Let's check.
8.
Yes, 8. Says it's here. All right, we will remove this one. Don't forget this screw. Here, who has another spring? So this, look, it's holding and pop, making them close. Here, not obvious, but it's a good one.
So it's like this part.
Yeah, currently. And we move it out. Oh, sorry. Can you get that back?
Yeah, of course.
Sorry, it's fixed
Sorry.
to tie.
Here's it.
Thank you, Miao. Okay. Get all things here. Thank you very much. And now it's the time for the screw.
May I help you?
Yeah, of course. Because I'm so careless. Glad we have you.
I can't got it off.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe there's other secret here.
No. It has to be loose. All right? Because it's here.
Oh, so
So from your side, maybe here has two screws. But actually, they are one. Okay.
you just
Very
want
tricky, right?
Yeah.
Very tricky. Okay. Now, when we lose those two, the spring come out automatically, right?
Yeah.
The spring. And now you can see it's like two parts, right? Now it's like totally two parts. So the next step. How can we get these two separate?
Off.
Yes.
Maybe let me see.
别老举高，好像。Difficult, right?
Maybe at first we need to take off these 4 parts, and actually I have no idea.
Okay, we'll follow you. So first we're gonna take off those 4. Okay, let's move fast. Oh, it's tight. I'm an alien. We have full of cordless tools, but we are here using screwdriver. Okay. Now we are narrowing it. Here. Okay. Remove this one. Okay. So here has a protect band, right?
Protect band.
Yes.
It's like a small door.
Yes. When we open it, this one,
The knife.
this blade came out.
Okay.
So here has a hook.
Okay, so this part will drive the knife.
So that's why you move here. The knife will move up and down, up and down. Okay. And the other knife is here, fixed by screws. Okay, here.
But this part is not moved.
Not,
Never.
never.
Okay.
It's fixed. So another side. Oh,
It's a little bit hard.
not that hard, but tight. Hey, here. Hey. A little more strength. A little more strength. Oh. Oh, my glass is a little.
I will help you.
No. Look, my glass is not a little bit bigger for me. So
So
make it smaller. Okay, good. Let's continue. Oh. Okay. Here also a protect band. It's the same construction.
construction.
Here is the knife, and here is the band to push.
Okay.
Okay.
To hold it.
Yes. Now, actually, it's nothing left, right? So the only thing left is a pole inside. I don't know if all my friends you can see it, but it's here just a pole to mix them together. So this one, we have already completely disassembled it, right? So this one looks very strange, because from its outside, you can tell what it's be used for, right?
Yeah, you're right.
And when you're using it, you don't know how it works, right? But when we disassemble it, you can know clearly how we use this handle to move this knife, right? And how it recover into position, right? And now, if you break somewhere, you can just buy a spare part, and you can fix this one, right? Because usually, when our hand tools are broken, many people choose to throw it away, but it's actually a waste. Because
So we can buy some spare parts and fit it.
Yes, of course, because it's very simple. Okay, let's see what's left. Okay, I got one. And you? Have anything new?
I got another one.
Okay, so today we're gonna make a funeral for our old friend, this spanner. All right. So sorry, my new friend. You should wait a moment. This one. Of course, you know what it is, right? This spanner.
It's spanner.
Yes, and you, of course, you know.
It's our old friend.
Yes, and it can be rotated. Yes, by one direction and another direction. It will move, right?
And it also can be.
Okay.
If you put it in the middle.
Middle.
And this part can be around two sides.
Okay.
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 And you put it in
Left.
And it just can turn around, be right.
Yes.
Cannot move.
Yes, very simple, right?
Yeah.
And then I bet.
But why?
Why?
Yeah. I want to know why.
Right. It's your old friend. You use it every day. Oh, of course. For people like us working in the tools, right?
Yeah.
We use it every day, but you don't know him, right?
I have no idea.
Like you have no idea about your boyfriend.
Oh, let us open it.
Okay.
I want to know the secret of it.
Okay, first we press here to lose this socket. Okay? Put it away. And next, those screws are even tinier. I don't know if you can see it because it's too tiny. And so our tools here, it can be used. They are too big. So for more tiny things, we have more tiny tools. And
I can't wait to open it.
And this screwdriver and those screws are in the shape of flower. I don't know if you know it or not.
The shape of flower. Oh, yes.
Really, right?
Yeah.
It's in the shape of flower.
It's a shape of flower.
You know what does that mean?
You want to give me a flower?
No, it means don't mess with this one. All right? Those kind of screws always used in the important places so that you can't just lose it with normal screwdrivers. It will be safety, more safety.
Oh,
okay, right? So we lose it here. Also, we can use here. You know?
So if we use here,
But you need to push it.
I need to push it. Okay.
Okay. Here. Something full. This one. Now you know?
Yeah.
This one is fixed by this screw. Okay.
In the other side.
Here. Okay. Let's take this off.
And this one just to hold it.
And in the opposite, we have two more to go. But wow, that's really tight.
So that is the quality.
Yeah, because our quality check is always too strict. Okay, finally. Very long. Oh, so careful. We remove this cover. And to see it's all, we're gonna put this one together. And when you open it, please be careful, because inside of this, we have two springs.
Two springs?
Two springs here. And when you, can you see? When you move here, when you move here, these two, no, here I put it to the left. See, one side, it's okay, but another side, this way, it will be stuck, because here has teeth exactly the same, and here it will be fixed. See, those tools are stuck. When you move there, another way, very smooth. So we change to another side. Change to another side. Okay. Okay, now it's opposite. Good. So what if we lose those springs? Let's test. Okay. If we lose the the springs, we can't do adjustment. So this is useless too. So, okay, we lost the function. Okay, so the construction is very simple. Just a spring with two parts of this and those teeth here. When we're talking about how many teeth this spanner has, always talk about teeth here. Here, I get it? And it's very simple. When it's stocked, we can't remove this way, but that way, it's okay. Right? So we put our old friend aside. Sorry for you. So here is my new friend.
It's for cut. It's a cutter for something.
Yeah, it's a cutter, but it's large, right?
Yeah.
So it's cut for what?
Cut for.
For what?
Let me see.
You are reading the name, right?
It's cutter for pipe.
Pipe, right? It's cutter for pipe, because our pipe always stick, right? And it's round and huge.
It's round.
Yes. So we're gonna have a look how it works, all right?
Yeah.
And this one, we don't need a knife.
Knife.
Because here we can simply assemble it here.
It's like an auto open sleeper.
Yes, it has slipper, but sorry, I'm so violent. I apologize for my impairment. So, okay, let's see how it works, and let's do your homework. Put this one back.
What?
Yes.
You think I can do that?
Yeah, of course. It's very simple. Okay, so let's see. We can open it.
Be careful.
This is wrong, right?
It's wrong.
This is wrong, right? Cause if
Oh, so
now we are
now
using it,
we can use it.
and you can check here. Okay, so teeth, one click, one click, one click, one click. Found anything?
To change the huge
Yes.
of this part.
Yes. Because if you cut the pipe, you should do it slowly, slowly, slowly. So it use spring here. Here we have a spring.
Yeah.
And we adjust the teeth here to cut it slowly. Very smart, right?
Yeah, interesting. But
And
I can't waiting to
okay, no problem.
get it.
We will save this to the next time because it's a very simple structure, but it can do all the things.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe you need to help me a little if
Yes.
I cannot. To
Next. So first.
so maybe first we need to put it
Yes. Put it here.
and one.
And oh, so that's the consequence of missing all spare parts around. I can easily tell you what belongs to this one, but I choose not.
I'm not so sure where is the other spare parts. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, in your mind, what's the next step?
These two parts?
These two parts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, not wrong. But I think this one, this O-ring, you should put it back,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay, my old friend. So, when you do this, please see the right, left, and right. It's marked on it, all right? And also, 45 teeth. It's also marked on it, so you can know how many teeth your spanner has. Okay, here has two position. Okay, we put it in, and the spring here. The bigger one is to the wall. Okay. Oh, okay. And the last one. Oh, sorry, not the last. We tie these two. The screwdriver.
Yeah. Here.
No, you forgot. This
small-
one.
Oh yeah.
The flower one.
The
Okay.
flower one.
Yes. Okay. Fasten here. And that's the last one.
This part and this part is more important
Right?
to lock them together.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, the job is done. So next time when your spanner are not working, you probably can choose the check way like this one. You can simply check it, and if the spring is broken, you can just simply change the spring, right? Maybe if you choose a bigger spring, it will make your spanner even stronger, okay?
Yeah.
And for our new friend, this time we have no time for him. Sorry, my friend. Next time.
But next time we will check how to work.
Yes, of course. Also, like we have a step done, right? Also, they are lying there Saturday. But next time, I promise you, we will give him the chance to show to all our friends. Okay, so that's all. That's all today's live show. So if you have anything you want to check or you need our explanation about that product, please let us know. You can comment in our Facebook. We will arrange that. Okay, thank you, my friend. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
Oops.